morning everyone and welcome back to our channel. Up bright and early, well it's not exactly early, it's early for us on a school holiday break to go because the kids have got a job cutting the lawn, and we had another tragedy last night. One of the cats knocked it over and the head fell off, so I have to glue that one back on. The other one that broke seems to be going pretty well. You can only tell if you look closely. The head hasn't fallen off, so hopefully it won't fall off. So anyway, we're off to cut the lawns. We'll see you there. Okay, so the kids are about halfway done, I think. I had to go and give them a bit of a hand because it's super hot today. It's almost 9 and it's already 29 degrees, so it's going to get really hot. Home for a little while. We stopped and got some essential groceries, and we've cooled down in the air conditioning. It is almost 1 o'clock and it's 36 degrees, and I think it's supposed to get to 38, so I reckon it will. How's your eye feeling? Much better today?
Last night was the hottest night of like the year, kind of.
Was it?
Yeah.
Sorry about that. Somebody just knocked on the door and we had a delivery. So what I was about to say before Quinn came over is I'm about to glue the head back on this.
It's hot.
Yeah. Before I start, the delivery was my my new leash for my bodyboard. Yeah. I really like the colour.
Mom, we already have these.
So now I have a leash.
Mom, we have one of these.
Yeah. Now I have a leash for my bodyboard because the last time Dan used it, it broke, which is not surprising because I've had it since I was 15. Hopefully the board holds out. We'll see. I'm just using super glue to stick it back on. It comes out very fast and goes on really easily, but it can drip, so you have to watch that you don't get it on your fingers. You have to be really careful though, because if it gets on your fingers, it sticks to everything, and often if you don't take your finger away, it will you might have to rip it off and there could be a bit of injury there, but it usually works pretty fast. Here I had a bit of problem keeping the head on because it was such a small joint. It tends to hold on a lot. It's still quite wet, and so sticking on as well as it could. I'm just wiping away the residue and a bit of the overflow drippage. If you don't wipe it away, it might cause a little bit of an uneven join. This way it's a little bit less obvious seam. And it looks like it is stuck on properly now, so I won't have to hold it in place anymore, and I can set it aside to dry. Okay, so it's glued back on. Seems okay. Hopefully the head doesn't fall off.
Mom. Is that fully known?
Well, I don't know if this plate is very good. I might check that out, okay? As you can see, everybody's just chilling today because it's too hot really to do anything. So I think that's pretty much it for us today. Won't be doing anything much more exciting. So thanks for watching, everyone. Thank you for all who have subscribed. If you like us and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It really helps our channel out. And we'll see you all tomorrow.